Isuroon, a strong woman who can take care of herself physically, emotionally, socially, and economically. Since 2010, our mission has been to make sure Somali women and girls have real opportunities to both self-sufficiency and social connectivity. With those qualities, they can lead healthy and productive lives to help Minnesota and the world thrive. Isuroon works from a strength-based framework. We reject a need-based framework because poverty, trauma, and victimhood never define our essential dignity. Despite the hardship of war and famine, Somali women are driven to do better for their family here and in Somalia. That's why we work with women and girls to build on the capacity they already have for economic betterment and social connection. We change their lives through 4 core areas of focus. First, we conduct community-based participatory research to capture the authentic priorities of the Somali women. Second, based on those research outcomes, we develop culturally specific health and economic literacy programs. These programs serve as blueprints for achieving true self-sufficiency and social connection. Third, we influence systems-level policy by educating elected officials and private sector leaders about the specific needs of Somali women and girls. And fourth, we build cultural bridges through civic engagement activities that increase connection between communities and families that are ordinarily isolated from one another. Isuroon then combines these 4 focus areas to create new and sustainable opportunities for all of our beloved communities to build each other up. We do this work to honor the legacy of the strong women who overcame obstacles to help us survive and thrive. Let's become our models, a strong, independent woman who serves her community with courage, generosity, and trust. We are Isuroon.